Do you know that some healthy foods can be harmful if consumed at night? Welcome to a journey of food enlightenment. Yes, you heard it right. Even the food items that are often hailed as healthy can pose certain risks if consumed at the wrong time. The first food item that we are going to discuss is everyone's favorite, chocolate. While dark chocolate is a treasure trove of antioxidants and has numerous health benefits, consuming it at night can disrupt your sleep. The culprit here is caffeine, a stimulant that can keep you awake for longer than you'd like. Next on the list is broccoli. This green hero is a powerhouse of nutrients, rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, iron, and protein. However, it's this high fiber content that makes it a poor choice for a late-night snack. Consuming fiber-rich foods before bedtime can lead to digestive issues and disrupt your sleep. Moving on, we have the humble tomato. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium, but they also contain high levels of tannins. These compounds can cause acid reflux and heartburn if consumed late at night. Let's not forget about cheese. Cheese is a great source of calcium and protein, but it also contains tyramine. This is an amino acid that, when consumed late at night, can trigger the brain to release norepinephrine, a stimulant that can keep you awake. Finally, we have spicy foods. Spices are known for their health benefits, including boosting metabolism and aiding digestion. However, consuming them at night can lead to heartburn and indigestion, making it harder for you to get a good night's sleep. In summary, while dark chocolate, broccoli, tomatoes, cheese, and spicy foods are undeniably healthy, they can disrupt your sleep if consumed late at night. The caffeine in chocolate, the high fiber content in broccoli, the tannins in tomatoes, the tyramine in cheese, and the heat in spicy foods can all lead to sleep disruptions and digestive issues. Remember, timing is crucial when it comes to eating. Even the healthiest of foods can have adverse effects if eaten at the wrong time. So next time you reach for a late-night snack, make sure to choose wisely. It's not just about what you eat, but also when you eat it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions on food and health.